Alrighty, so I've driven, this is the battery has been reinstalled. I've driven about 3.5 miles. So now I'm going to cut it off and go around the airport road here and the little proving ground, and we'll see if the light comes back on. There, it's off. Radio's off. Give it a few seconds here. Alright, battery light, change oil, compressor cycled in the back. Alright, those lights are out. Alright, we'll go take a little ride around here and see what it does. The ride feels a little bit softer with the torsion bars angled down, obviously, so we will looks like this is going to rattle. Shaky video. Yeah, we'll see how it does. Alright, so here we go. Wow, that's shaky. This might be a garbage video here. So far, the light is still out for the ride control. Easier getting around these turns with the torsion bars lowered or softened. Brakes really handle well. Big pothole there. So still no ride control light, so that's a good thing. torsion bars, I feel it's a little bit looser on the suspension, so I feel a little bit more routed through the steering wheel. That's interesting. It must still be in the steering shaft somewhere. I basically lowered the torsion bars as low as they would go, pretty much. So maybe I need to tweak them up a little bit. We'll see. A few minutes before the camera dies in the Suburban here, and just took it for about a 15-minute drive, and so far real impressed. I got the alignment back as close as I could. We'll still take it to my shop and get that tweaked out correctly, just for the sake of the suspension and tires. But so far really happy with it. Took it around my normal thrashing spot around our airport, and it seemed to handle pretty well. It felt pretty confident. Thanks for watching this possible or impossible job. It looks like apparently it is possible. I wouldn't be afraid to tackle this if you haven't done it before. If you're a pro, you know exactly what you're doing. But for me, a first timer with this stint, I learned a lot. It's very frustrating, of course, but I would definitely tackle this job again and probably save myself quite a bit of money, and then know exactly how my car is being treated. So yeah, pretty neat job. Thanks for watching. We'll get Bear to do all the editing for this and see how it turns out. Catch you all next time.